Okay, game na po tayo. Okay. Okay, number 20 to number Trinidad to number 0. No good. Nice. Number 0, 2 points. Remind ko ha, may 8 seconds violation tayo ha. Okay, 2 points by Mata. Okay, steal by Alejos. Alejos. Uy, sayang. Good ah, walang tawa. Sayang, nakuha ni Karinal. To John Ray. To number 0. No good. Ang sipag ni number 0. Okay, no good ha. O, foul down. Labas na lang agad. Okay. John Ray to Trinidad. Eight seconds to shoot. Okay, last touch. Four seconds to shoot. 4 seconds. 2 seconds. Okay. Traveling muna pala. Traveling. Oh, score 5:34. Okay, Orpilia. Pinasa kay Mata. To Alejos. Alejos. Sasalaksak. Oh, ang ganda ng pasa. Sayang. Time remaining 5 minutes 30 seconds. Wala po tayong late call ha. Itawag po agad. Tatawa. Nice na score 2-4. Nice rebound by Baswell. Score 2-4. Ano, okay na yung paa mo?
120 yan.
Bakulan
Mga
na.
30.
Yan ka na naman, mahirap yan. Yun ako, malabo pa sa putik yan. Dagdagan mo. Aka na pa 10. Aka na pa 10.
Wala nga.
Nakakaano ka pag sinabi mo yun eh.
Hindi, gigigit lang ako. Wala sa gabi.
Okay, no good ha. Oras 4 minutes 35 seconds. John Ray no good. To Karinal. 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 No good. Lahat nag-aabang ng bola. Oy, 3 points by John Ray. Score 5-4. Bad pass. Okay lang yan, first quarter ka lang. Time remaining 3 minutes 55 seconds. Magkakampay? O, di na lang problema. Pwede mo kayo magkalapan. Okay, no good. Okay. Sayang. Hindi ka nang may steal ni Oreo. Uy! Talo ng talo. Orpilia. Sayang. Mata. 5. Okay. Score 5-6. 16 seconds. Mahaba pa ha. Shot clock lang yun. 10 seconds. 7 seconds. Good set tumawag. Nice! Uy! Naninibago si Orpilla. Okay, same ball. Sayang.
Sila.
Sila Alejos, isa. Okay, steal by Alejos. Alejos. Okay, foul muna daw, foul.
Tigil na si Mel.
Remind ko lang ha, pag nalabas na yung bola, huwag na yun ha, pag hindi nasalo ng kakampi. "14 seconds to shoot ha, Mata. Mata, no good. Rebound by Jandre. Jandre to Oreo. No good, nice D. Sayang, hindi na-anticipate. Time remaining 1 minute 48 seconds, first half. Number 0. Pinasa kay Oreo. Okay, Karinga, 2 points, score 5-8, last 57 seconds. Nice. Okay, 2 points, but number 0. 38 seconds remaining. Cedric, no good. Rebound by number 20. Number 20, last 27 seconds. Ten seconds. Black, last 16 seconds. Alejos, no good. 10 seconds. 7 seconds. Oreo, no good. 4 seconds. 2 seconds. Okay. Change court. Bola po dito ha. Ng regular. Score 8-7. Dito bola. Bola nyo, Cedric. Dito po bola, change court. Okay, Baswell. To Orpilla. To Baswell again. Nice pass. Sayang. Oreo. Ang ganda ng pasa. Naipit. Ano ba? Pasabi ko ah. Okay. No good. To Jandre. Okay, 2 points. Score 8-9. Huwag niyo na pong ipasa para hindi nakakalito pagka-inbound. Okay, 2 points by Jandre. Score 8-11. Alejos. Ang lakas! Tatlo lang ang hinahabol ha. Low scoring pero ang bilis ng pace. 8-11 to Oreo. Oreo, no good. Pasa pala yun. Rebound by Karingal. Karingal, no good. To Alejos. Okay, 2 points by Alejos. Score 10-11. No good by Jagger. Rebound by number 0. Binomba ni number 0. Nice D. Okay, good ah. Good. Nakaurong ang ano ha, siko. Ay, ang uhod. Number 0, no good. Rebound by Cedric. Cedric to Alejos. Oy! Sayang. Na-steal ni Oreo. Okay, Trinidad, no good. Nice D. Okay, good ah. Walang tumawag ng foul. 4 minutes, 20 seconds. Orpilia. Nice block by Trinidad. Time remaining 4 minutes, 10 seconds. No good by Pascual. Rebound by Alejos. Three minutes, 50 seconds, 14 to shoot. Karingal. No good. Number 20, Oreo, no good. Rebound by Karingal. Pero line ball. Trinidad. No good. Rebound by. Okay. Line ball now. Line ball violation by number 0. Time remaining 3 minutes 16 seconds. Score 10-11 to Cedric. Oy, sayang. Nagkamali ng tansya. Steal by Karingal. Karingal to Alejos. Sayang. Foul muna daw. Nice. Orpilia, 2 points by Orpilia. Score 12-11. Lamang na po ng isa ang team regulars. Okay, good ha. Walang foul yun. Alejos. Tira mo na yan. Orpilia, lista mo na. Score 14-11. Pag puro guard, dapat lagi may dalawa sa wing. Natitira. Nice steal! Grabe si Alejos. Oh, iwas-iwas lang sa siko ha. Iwas-iwas. Okay, Pao. Iwas-iwas lang po tayo sa extended na siko. Time remaining 1 minute 55 seconds. 10 seconds. 7 seconds. Nice shot. Simple tira ni Mata. 16-11. Number 0. Pinasa kay number 20 Oreo. Nice. Okay, good daw. Good. Narinig ko. Good. To Orpilia. Easy 2. Ganun lang. Small ball eh. 1 minute 10 seconds. Oh! Nice deal by number 0. Ipit na ipit. Nice deal. Ang ganda naman ng pagkakadepensa ngayon. No good by Trinidad. Okay. Last touch. Last 52 seconds, last 52 seconds. Alejo. Nice D by Oreo. Last 37 seconds. Oreo 2 points. Last 32 seconds, 18-13. Nice steal by Trinidad. Magkakabalik-tarang pa ba? Trinidad, no good. Nakuha ni Oreo. Last 20 seconds. Last 14 seconds. Last, may foul ba? Okay, good. Cedric, no good. Alejos. 2 free throws kung may foul ha. 2 free throws. 2 free throw. Ingat lang po tayo, wala tayong insurance. First shot. Oy, isa pa. Nakadalawa na ba yun? Okay. Okay, game ball.